With cases on the decline, Maharashtra government has announced a five-level unlock plan to come into effect as soon as district and municipal or corporation issue orders. Easing of curbs will be decided based on positivity rate and occupancy of oxygen beds. Cities and districts falling in level 1 have at least restrictions, while those in level 5 will have lockdown-like curbs in place. Cities and districts with positivity rate of less than 5% and oxygen bed occupancy of less than 25% have been allowed to open up entirely. As per the officials, the state government's notification comes into effect from today, while the orders issued by local authorities comes into effect from Monday. Mustafa is joining us live for the latest. Mustafa, I'm going to throw straight across to you. What's allowed, what's not news that people who are watching from Maharashtra can really use?
Well, Cheti, this one is a dynamic plan and it will be reviewed every week. There are 5 levels and deciding upon the positivity rate and availability of oxygen beds, levels will be changed. In level 1, everything is allowed. It will be a complete unlock. But similarly in level 5th, there will be lockdown-like restrictions. So these are things which people will take some time to understand. And now the state has been divided into various districts and administrations. For example, Mumbai would be looked as a separate administrative unit, and depending on the positivity rate, things will be allowed to open and not allowed to open. So if you are in the level 1 or level 2, almost everything is open. Theatres, malls, salons, gyms, everything will be allowed. But as soon as the positivity rates increase, there will be slowly restrictions, like shops of non-essential services will be allowed to open only on weekdays till 4 p.m. Restaurants will be allowed to open only till 4 p.m. at 50% capacities, and then on weekends they will be shut. These are things which some time it will take for people to understand, and also whether this is an administrative task and whether how successful this entire plan of dynamic unlock will be for Maharashtra in the coming days, we'll know. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thanks so much for the details right there. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.